It's Patrick at Pals. We're talking about diagnostics today and how to diagnose problems. This BMW came into Pals with air conditioning that was blowing warm instead of cold. Now you would think that we would have pulled up a machine to this car to find the problem, but sometimes all you need is your eyes. If you look with me with the camera here, you can see the alternator is right here. Down below the alternator is the compressor for the AC. Okay? Now if we go over to the front of the compressor, which is right here, see all that goo that's coming out? You see the compressor head is gray, and then there's dark black, it looks like tar or grease coming out. That's actually the seal coming apart on the front of the compressor. And that's causing the refrigerant to leak out. The compressor needs to be replaced. So with a simple visual inspection, we know that we need to replace the compressor. When we replace the compressor, we'll also replace the condenser and the accumulator. Then we'll evacuate and recharge the system, and this car will have cold AC. If you need your air conditioning system diagnosed and repaired properly, bring it to Pals. See you soon.